Welcome to Ryan Free Motor Cars. We got some crazy new inventory. Come downstairs, check it out. It's underground, hidden with all the other hidden gems that you guys know. We have no idea where we get them from, but they are stashed away for years and years and years. I'm kidding. But no, these cars that we just got are absolutely beyond crazy. Take a quick peek through that window right there. No, come on. Let's go. Shh. Look at this freaking car. Are you kidding me? There's only two made in this color. I'm not gonna say the color. Let's see if you can guess it. It's not that hard. It's not a PTS, but like I said, they only made two of them. And guess what? I mean, you're not gonna believe it unless you see it, so come over. Zero in on that miles. I actually thought it was a little bit higher than it is. 54 miles on this car. Literally brand new, but this thing is insane. Green stitching all over the place. I don't think it gets more in the wrapper than this type of thing. I wouldn't necessarily call it a unicorn car. It's not like a one of one, but screw it, it is a unicorn car. Like, people are gonna debate that. Is it not? For example, right behind here we have our paint to sample, Voodoo Blue, which is awesome. Also has sofa seats, low miles as well. Two Speedsters under one roof, really cool car. But come outside, we got some other cool stuff. Let's check it. What do we got? Ooh, look at this. Again, name the color. Let's see if you guys can write in the comments. Name the color. Very special. M491 turbo look, naturally aspirated. Very, very cool cars. Come over. Here we got Richie. Little Richie. We got little Richie. Head of our service coordination. Right now we have our black tan. Is this tan or natural brown? I think it's natural brown. 997 C2S Coupe, really cool car. This is something that for somebody who wants to get a starter type of vehicle, this is it, not one of the Speedsters. But come outside, we see Harrison out there. We're trying to get him to do important things, but he's too busy playing with all these new cars because he's just obsessed and geeking out right now. Look, he's hiding, he's running away from me because he knows I'm gonna yell at him. Harrison, where are you going? Don't you have work to do? He doesn't have work, he just wants to play with cars all day long, wouldn't you? It's the problem. This car over here. Look at this thing, GT3 RS 2016. You don't really see many in white. It's got all the good options like ceramic brakes, bucket seats, only 800 miles. The car's brand new in the wrapper. Also from the same owner, check this out. GT4, yellow, bucket seats, yellow stitching all over, ceramic brakes, only 400 miles. Stick shift in the wrapper, you're never gonna find one this good. Now we got some other cool cars, but long story short is, this is what's something that I love right here. Only 7 made of these cars. Powerkit C4S 997.2. We've never had another one. This one's really unique. Come over, I'll show you why. Has a lot of leather in here. So besides having the sport seats, you got details like here, you got the kick plates right here that show all leather with leather stitching. Also the sun visors, which is a really cool, unique option. Factory built with full leather on the dashboard. Sport chrono, stick shift. Center console's also fully stitched with the Porsche logo on the center console piece that you lift up for storage, and a full binder of records and the window sticker. So right here, as you see, Carrera S Powerkit. Let's just see how much that option was. Was $16,900. So to have this car with the window sticker, a binder full of records that we will add our service to as well, this is what we look for when we buy cars. People say, okay, maybe our car is a little too expensive, but let me explain something to you. Where are you finding another Powerkit car like this, in this condition, with these types of records? A lot of these cars back then, people didn't know what they were, so rightfully so, they drove them, they enjoyed them. But ultimately, finding ones that are in collector grade condition that now you can appreciate so much. You know, years ago, these cars could have been $60,000, $70,000, but now they're demanding more of a premium because people are recognizing the rarity and low production of a GTS, let's say. A naturally aspirated car that people are just loving more than turbos, especially in a manual transmission. So this is a sleeper right here. This is a GTS disguised as a C4S. Awesome car. We just got it in. We literally have about another 24 cars on the way in. Just wanted to give you a quick recap report. Ryan Free Motor Cars. Check out our new inventory, rfmc.com. Thanks so much. Have a good day. Take care.